Hello guys, and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to open a multiple window on your phone. To begin with, open the app you want to open in a multiple window. After selecting the app, select your recent button and tap on it. Tap and hold on it until you see open in a split screen view. Tap on it. Now the app will be open in a split screen where the recent app will be at the top and your current app will be at the bottom. So that's what you can see on your screen. I have Google Play Store at the top and then Google Chrome at the bottom. To close this, it's very easy. Simply drag the blue line up to close the split screen mode. Now what I'm going to do next is to open an app and then select a different app at the bottom. So I'll select open in a split screen view and then try to select a different app at the bottom. So I'll Google Play Store at the top and then I've selected a game as at the bottom. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is try and see whether to run in split screen mode. There is another approach to open a multiple window. As you can see, the game has started and is working perfectly. Tapping on the play button will start the game in a split screen mode. Alright, so as you can see, the game has started perfectly in split mode. Now I'm going to wait and see if it will actually open. Now if the first approach didn't work for you, don't worry. There is an app called Split Screen. So what you do is you download it from the Play Store. And then after installation, you open it. Opening it, you enable the split screen mode. And then go to the accessibility option and then turn it on. After I turn it on and tap on the accessibility button, the split screen mode will be enabled on your device. Now to use the app, tap or open the app you want to open in a split screen and then tap the accessibility button which was enabled previously in order to open the app in a split screen. Now the importance of this is that in case you want to copy an image from Google Chrome onto WhatsApp, what you do is not sliding and go to the recent apps but opening these two apps in a split screen. This will save at least minutes of your time. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.